Once upon a time, there was a little girl who always wore a red hood that her grandmother had sewn for her. Everyone in the village simply called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother called her into the kitchen. "Sweetheart, your grandmother is sick. Could you bring her this basket of cookies and fresh herbs?" "Of course, Mama." The sun danced through the trees as Red skipped along the path, humming her favorite tune. Birds chirped, flowers bloomed, but the forest had secrets of its own.
Suddenly, a voice from the shadows.
Well, hello there, little one. Where are you off to on this fine day?
"To my grandma's house. She lives in the yellow cottage at the end of the forest." The wolf grinned, but said nothing more. Red spotted a field of wildflowers. "Grandma would love these." She danced from bloom to bloom, not noticing that the wolf had vanished.
Meanwhile, the wolf took a shortcut through the trees and arrived at the yellow cottage. He knocked on the door, and the plan began.
Red entered the cottage and saw her grandmother lying in bed. "Grandma, what big ears you have." "All the better to hear you with, my dear." "And those big eyes?" "All the better to see you with." "Wait a minute, and those teeth?" "All the better to eat you with." Just as the wolf lunged forward, bang! The door burst open. A brave hunter stormed in and stopped the wolf just in time. As punishment, the hunter made the wolf clean the entire forest, from root to leaf. Red and Grandma watched him sweep, sipping tea and giggling. With her basket now empty and her heart full, Little Red made her way back home, humming once more. She had learned her lesson well. Stick to the path and always be wary of wolves.